First of all, David, congratulations. Can I shake your hand that you are our next Superman? Congratulations. Special thanks to David for you mentioned in an earlier interview, actually, that it's really more than honors and responsibility to be Superman, right? So how does it feel to officially wear the cape and meet some of the world's most enthusiastic and passionate Superman fans right here in the Philippines?
Well, we've been working on this movie for a long time, and the responsibility so far has been to James, our fearless leader, and to the studio, and to the comments that we're honoring, and to the cast and crew who put a couple years of their lives into this movie. It's very exciting now. The responsibility now shifts to sharing the footage with you all, and to see such a great, enthusiastic, positive people, some of whom